Okay guys, Carrier high efficiency Comfort 92. It's got the PVC exhaust. Inducer motor. I took the blower out. Problem, she had that limit there, rollout switch tripping. This furnace is, based on the serial number, let's see, 2004, 20 years old. So what we have, if I can, hopefully I can get it on the camera. The reason I took the blower out is because I want to look at the heat exchangers. Right up in there. Let's see. Right up here, you can see there's some rust and let's see if I can get it on camera. Some like white buildup back there. Means those heat exchangers are compromised and failed. The heat exchangers need, right there. Heat exchangers need to be replaced, or the furnace needs to be replaced. Right in there. Wow. Always, always, always look at those heat exchangers.